Okay everyone, so this is going to be the first video for chapter 7, and in chapter 7 we are going to be dealing with these circuits that have resistors and either a capacitor or an inductor in them. And specifically, the part that's going to make this tricky is we're going to be having switches in these circuits. And so what a switch does is it starts in one position and then it changes. And so the idea is when we draw this diagram right here, it's really two separate circuits. The first circuit has your voltage source, your resistor, and the capacitor. And this is what happens when the switch is in the left position. And in this situation, your voltage source is going to be pumping out current. It's going to be pumping out current through this circuit here. And what's going to happen is the capacitor is going to charge up. It's going to gain voltage slowly over time, and then it's going to stop. Eventually it's going to reach a point where the capacitor is fully charged, and a fully charged capacitor is an open circuit. So when this becomes fully charged, then your circuit will look like this. Right, if it's fully charged, no more current can go through it. It's an open circuit. And that's what's going to sit. And then at some point in time, this switch is going to move into this other position. And when that happens, you're going to get the second circuit, which is just going to be the capacitor with this resistor here. And so the idea is the capacitor stored energy, and it's now given a chance to release that energy. There's no source trying to push it anymore. So the electrons are going to come streaming out of here, and they're going to dissipate the power over the resistor. And so what you're going to get is you're going to get a graph like what's up here. And so you see there's this charging part of the graph. That's where the source is giving it power and storing up energy. And then once the switch goes over, it's not going to gain any more energy. It's going to start releasing it. And so if you were to look at a graph like this over a long period of time, it would store, release, store, release, store, release, and so on. And if you want to think about it, this is exactly like how, say, the blinker on your car works. It stores up energy, it blinks, releases, stores up energy, blinks, and so on. And it's a nice little way to make this happen.